Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and fix your WhatsApp connecting problem in iPhone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply step into our video. Well, what you gotta do is, first of all, we gotta go to our app store and make sure if our app is updated or not, because if it's not, then that could be one of the reasons. So you could simply go to search bar and type in WhatsApp right there. And as you can see here, in my case, the WhatsApp app is simply updated and shows this open option instead of update. If it's not updated, you will be able to see this update option right there. So simply go ahead, tap on that update your app. If that's not the case, what you're going to do is simply go to your networks and check if your network connection is good or not. Because if you're in your Wi-Fi connection, make sure it's good or not, or you can simply go ahead, switch to your mobile data instead right there. If it's still not fixing your problem, what you're going to do is simply go to your mobile settings and go to this option called general over here. Then you will simply scroll down, tap on this transfer or reset iPhone. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Then you will tap on this option called reset right there. So you can simply go ahead, tap on this reset network settings, which will simply reset your network settings. It will simply reconnect you with the networks, and it will simply refresh it right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply solve your problem there in your iPhone, and I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.